Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to connect microphone to laptop on Windows 11. So guys, there are two ways of doing this. The first one is from the stock settings and another one is from the control panel. So let me show you the control panel first. So you go to hardware and sound, then you go sound, and in here make sure to choose your recording tab. And in here, as you can see, I have my microphone here that works. Also indicator shows that the input is being registered. Also, you can go into properties and you can adjust the volume of it, which is the levels tab. As you can see, mine is at 100%. If you want to also do this from the system settings, you open up your settings, you go to system, then sound, and in here under input, you will have all of your installed microphones. And you can also see when I speak, there's this little blue indicator that lights up. So that means that there's input and microphone works. And also in here, as you can see, our microphone is in use by OBS and settings. So very easy guys, hopefully this helps you. If it did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.